For the next check, we need to connect the multimeter to the starter motor. Step 1. Switch on the multimeter and set the dial to resistance or continuity. Step 2. Connect the negative probe, the black cable end, of the multimeter to the common terminal. Step 3. Connect the positive probe, the red cable end, of the multimeter to the positive terminal. Step 4. Touch both ends of the probes and check for clear audible beep sound from the multimeter. This confirms the multimeter is ready for starter motor inspection.